Hey there, and welcome. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful and popular programming languages in the world, Java. Whether you're completely new to coding or just curious about what Java can do, you're in the right place. So, what exactly is Java? Java is a programming language that was first released in 1995. It's now owned by Oracle, and more than 3 billion devices run Java today. That's right, billions. Java is everywhere. It powers mobile apps, especially Android ones, desktop software, websites and web apps, servers and cloud systems, games, and even databases. It's no exaggeration to say Java runs a huge part of the digital world. Now you might be asking, why should you learn Java? Here's why Java stands out. It works on all major platforms: Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, you name it. It's one of the most in-demand languages in the job market. It's easy to learn, even for beginners. It's free and open source. It's secure, fast, and reliable. And it has a massive community, millions of developers around the world ready to help. Java is also an object-oriented language. That means it helps you organize your code better and reuse parts of it, which makes building big applications much easier. And if you've used C++ or C# before, great news, Java will feel familiar. And if you're brand new, don't worry, we're starting from the beginning. By the end of this course, you'll be able to write basic Java programs, understand how Java works behind the scenes, and even create real-world applications on your own. No prior programming experience? That's totally fine. We'll walk through everything step by step, clear, simple, and at your pace. All right, let's get started with your first Java lesson. I'll see you in the next video.